my dons and donettes, I got a brand spanking new one. Oh yes, take a look. Oh, where's my knife? I haven't got one. Let's use this pen. Oh yes, Zaharoff Signature Black Rose. Oh yes, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at this bottle. It looks, ooh, it's very weighty. Look at the color of the juice. I'll definitely do some close-ups because you're gonna need to see this close-up. Oh yes, fits snug into place. Not metal, but most of their bottles are like that anyway. Oh yeah, let's do atomizer test. Okay, little spritz straight on skin. Oh, okay. Ooh, that's changing quite a bit. Oh yeah, you can smell the rose. You can smell some oud. Oh yes, very nice. The notes are black pepper, black rose, tonka, oud, musk, cyprio, vetiver, Turkish rose, bergamot, basil. Oh, it's got a lot. It's interesting. I like it. Ooh, yeah. But the bottle is very, very, very classy. Very nice. It's just like stuck on the front, but it's very like kind of metal. Very nice. So this costs 158 for this type of bottle, and they have another one without this rose, which is 121 from Zaharoff website. But you can get it also from Luxe Parfum. I quite like it. Yeah, so only first impressions, but I'll give it a full wearing and then I'll come back with a full review. But first impressions, I like it. On the dry down, it's getting a bit different. Yeah, so my second Zaharoff, I've got one of the Z Creators fragrances. But this is my one from the original of the Zaharoff's collection. So yeah, not bad so far. So yeah, I'll be back soon. Full wearing, full review coming, definitely. But yeah, Signature Black Rose Halfeti Zaharoff. Very nice. Yeah, impressed. Definitely. Anyway, see you all soon. Thumbs up.